Namaste, welcome to Brinda's Healthy Lifestyle. Today, let me share few health benefits of Kashayam and how to do various Kashayams with the leaves available at our house. Now, let me know how many of you like to have coffee, tea, black tea, milk, etc. I know many of us love to have this coffee and tea, and most of them are already got addicted to these drinks. Yes, right? Now, if we come to Kashayam, we all know that it is very healthy, but many of us doesn't like to have it in a regular basis. So, let me share today curry leaf Kashayam. Few health benefits of curry leaves also we can make out. To do these Kashayam, I have taken a bowl and added a glass of water here. Let this water get heated for a while, and by the way, we'll wash our curry leaves. See here, I am washing these curry leaves gently, and once it is washed, let me add these curry leaves to this water. Let these curry leaves get boiled for at least 3 to 5 minutes on a medium flame. Okay. Now let me speak about curry leaves. We all know that curry leaves are healthy and it is very good for our hair growth and etc. also. But we take these curry leaves from our curry and keep it aside. We doesn't like to have it in our curries also. So here is the best option to have curry leaves as curry leaves Kashayam. Okay. To know the health benefits of curry leaves, it improves immunity, which reduces dandruff and which is very good for hair growth and conditioning also. And it helps in weight loss, good for eyesight also, and reduces stress and many more. When we have all these health benefits in this curry leaves Kashayam, try to have this Kashayam at least continuously for 7 days, so that we can gain all these benefits for our health. Okay, see, once it is boiled, and you can even check this color of Kashayam also. It is changed, right? Now just switch off the flame and cover it with the lid for 3 to 5 minutes. Close it with the lid for 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I have taken a cup. Into this, I am going to add a pinch of homemade turmeric powder. This is totally optional. If you are okay, then you can add turmeric powder, or you can have this Kashayam directly also. Try to have it in on an empty stomach, so that we will get more health benefits. Now take a filter and strain this Kashayam. This is the easy Kashayam. You can even prepare anytime. This smells awesome, which gives a nice flavor also. Now this curry leaf Kashayam is totally ready. This is very easy to prepare and it is very beneficial also. Now let us go to next Kashayam. Here I am going to do coriander leaves or cilantro leaves Kashayam. As we know, many of us will be having this coriander leaves at home available. So you can even make this coriander leaves Kashayam or coriander tea also you can call. Okay. Now for this same procedure, I have taken a bowl and added a glass of water here. Once the water is bit heated, just add coriander leaves which is washed. Here I have washed this coriander leaves and adding into this water. Let this boil for another 3 to 5 minutes on a medium flame. Now if we come to this benefits of coriander leaves, it improves digestion, purifies your kidneys, increases good cholesterol levels, reduces bad cholesterol levels, helps to lower blood sugar, immune boosting antioxidants, protects brain health, fights with infections, and it is a very good protector for your skin also. So in all the ways, these coriander leaves are very good for our health. So we can even have this Kashayam also continuously for 7 days to get all these health benefits. So you can take 1 week for 7 days continuously curry leaves kashayam, and for next 7 days you can take this coriander leaves kashayam. Okay, so now you see this kashayam also got color changed after 4 to 5 minutes. You can make out, right? Now just switch off the flame and close it with the lid for 3 to 5 minutes. Just leave it aside for 3 to 5 minutes. Once you close the lid, after some 3 minutes, just serve it to serving glass. Here I have taken a cup. Into this I have already added turmeric powder, pinch of turmeric powder. This is again an optional. If you want, you can add, or else no problem, you can skip it. Now just filter this kashayam using a strainer. Our hot yummy coriander kashayam is ready. Now next let us go to yummy so nice, no, mint leaves. Yeah, mint leaves also we can do kashayam. Here is mint leaves. As we know, mint leaves is a natural coolant for our body. So to do this mint leaf kashayam, here I have taken a bowl. Into this I am going to add 1 glass of water again. The same procedure for all the kashayams. Okay, I am just going to show you the procedure once again, that's all. Here I have taken washed mint leaves and I am just going to make it into 3 parts. That's all. I am going to add this mint leaves with this stock. Now let this also boil for some 3 to 5 minutes, same as previous kashayams. And when we come to this benefits of mint leaves, it is a natural coolant, rich in nutrients, improves brain functioning, reduces bad breath, has many nutritional values which improves digestion, which promotes respiratory health, promotes weight loss too, and it is also good booster for memory, good for our skin health also. So in all the ways this is also very good for our health. Now I think this kashayam is ready. Now let us switch off this kashayam and close with the lid for 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let us serve it to this cup. Here I am going to add 1 pinch of homemade turmeric powder. Again I am saying this is totally optional. If you are willing to have, you can have this turmeric powder, or else you can even skip. Now I am going to filter this kashayam using a strainer. So easy, right? Just try to have these kashayams at least daily once. Try to have this kashayam continuously for 7 days, and then you can skip to another kashayam for next 7 days. Just try to change your kashayam for every 7 days once, which helps to improve your immunity power, concentration, and many more health benefits you are having by having these kashayams. Hope so you like all my videos. Thank you so much for your support.